Look at the following equation. 7x squared plus blank times x plus 2 equals 0. Fill in the blank so that one of the solutions to the equation is -1. Let's complete it, so one of the answers will be -1. The unknown here is the coefficient, which we'll call b. First, let's look at the coefficients together. We'll use the root formula to discover possible solutions. By substituting values, we'll solve and find these solutions. We'll compare two options, subtraction and addition. Suppose the first option equals -1. We multiply by the denominator to clear the fraction. Next, let's put the root by itself. Since the root is greater than 0, this is where b can be defined. Now, let's square both sides to get rid of the root. We'll expand using the shortened multiplication formulas. Time to gather the terms together. Then let's get b all by itself. Uh-oh, this solution isn't valid as it's not in b's defined range. Let's try the same steps for the second option now. Again, multiply by the denominator to remove the fraction. Separate the root by itself once more. Remember, the root is greater than 0, defining b's space. Square both sides again to lose the root. Expand using our multiplication shortcuts. Let's collect all the terms. Isolate b now, shall we? This time, b meets the defined domain. And that gets us the solution to our problem.